Isaiah 60:22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Indeed, love is sweeter the second time around.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises.
Nagsimula sa hi ma'am, hi sir, naging magkaibigan hanggang sa magkamabutihan. Sa profesyon natin, hindi natin maiwasan na tayo magkalayo. Sabi nga nila, ang LDR ay para lamang sa mga matatag na individual.
All of my doubt suddenly.
To my sweet, I vow to cherish you in every moment through the joys and the struggles, the triumphs, the tears. I promise to listen with an open heart, to support your dreams, and to stand by your side.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Pabigay po ni Mama po.
Maraming salamat sa binigay mong regalo. Pag nakikita ko to, naalala kita na.
I will be brave.
Today, I will give you my heart, my soul, and my promise to love you peacefully and faithfully. For all the days of my life, I am yours completely, now and forever. Ay tin ka unay si.
Every breath, every hour has come to this.
Maraming salamat sa palagiang pag-unawa, suporta, at pagmamahal. Marami mang pagsubok na dumating, alam kong kakayanin natin ang mga ito sa awa ng Diyos. Kaya nga, unbreakable ang isang relasyon kapag ang Diyos ang naging sentro ng relasyon. Hindi man ako perpekto, pero gagawin ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya para maging isang mabuting asawa, tatay, at kaibigan mo na laging nakikinig sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Thank you sa gift. For sure magagamit ko sa diet. Mag-running na ako.
Ngayong araw na ito, ating mawi-witness ang seremonya ng kasal sa dalawang tao na si Michael Valdivino Oclima and Lawrence Vega Paragas. Michael Valdivino Oclima, do you accept Lawrence Vega Paragas to be your lawful wife with all your love and honor?
Opo, I
Do you promise to be faithful to Lawrence with all the trust and respect and be a good husband to Lawrence?
Opo.
Lawrence Vega Paragas, do you accept Michael Valdivino Oclima to be your lawful husband with all your love and honor?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to be faithful to Michael with all the trust and respect and be a good wife to Michael?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to live with your husband in sickness and in health, in richness and in poverty, in happiness, in sadness, even until death?